nga ba ang true love mo? Iyan ang tanong ng maraming madla sa aktor na si Donnie Pangilinan, na sinagot nga niya. Say ng aktor, I don't think most people understand what true love is. It's not the cheesy couple goals post for Instagram, and it is not fancy dates, the happy hours, or the majestic nights laughing at silly movies. True love is being your shoulder to cry on, to vent to. And true love is being biggest cheerleader and toughest critic. And of course, true love is 6 little words, no matter what, I get you. And to answer your question, yes, nahanap ko na. Nahanap ko na ang para sa akin.